So this is week 2 summary video. Okay, so what we started with on the 28th was all about motion diagrams, like just the basics of how to draw them and, getting us started basically. And that was all about the spiral physics. Next, we just reviewed like video analyses and the Excel, like how to model motion on there. We also had questions about VPython. So for the homework, I had a little more trouble this time with VPython because it seemed a little more challenging, and it took me literally like hours to figure it out. But I think I got it down, so I'll include a few snapshots of the programs here. Also for homework, we had to read through the spiral physics packet, and I took a handful of notes. I took 1, 2, 3, 4 pages just to like document myself on how I should be conducting the formulas and all that. And the next day when we showed up to class on Thursday, we got into our groups, got all situated, and we went over all the motion graphs, the motion diagrams, and it was just basically all about how velocity related to position as well as acceleration. And I finished all those. I believe it was 1 through 11, so I completed, no, 7 through 11. So I'll just show that. Sorry, this camera is hard to tell. So that's page 7. Here's 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, and also we had to complete, like during the weekend, pages 22 through 25. And I found that really difficult, but the more practice I got, the more I got the grasp of it and how to come up with solutions. So here's 21. We did this one in class. 22, page 22, 23, 24, and 25 right there. Okay. In addition to Thursday, we also went over how to convert the formulas into the physics formulas we're supposed to be using, like y equals mx plus b into the R2 and all that. So I wrote that down and I circled which corresponds to which. I also wrote down the Microsoft Excel instructions on how to write the formulas, or come up with the formulas, I should say. Oh, we went over the 7 possible motions. I wrote all those down too because I might need to refer back to it. What else? Oh, the Nature of Science packet. I found that to be really thought-provoking because in my mind, I just thought theories became laws if there was enough consensus like he wrote in there. And just what works best for everyone. And I didn't realize that it wasn't exactly hard facts. I always thought theories were just someone's random ideas that people took as the best shot at understanding a certain concept. So it was intriguing to think about that in a different way, and I learned what exactly a theory is and what exactly goes along with it. So I'm not gonna lie, I was part of those misconceptions because just from the way I learned it, I didn't know what pertained to laws and theories. So I did write my 3 entries in there. As far as VPython, like I said, I had a a lot of trouble with it actually this time. Just the programs are getting more and more difficult to do, and I just have to kind of get the hang of it better. But yeah, I think the more and more challenging it's going to get, the more it's going to help me better in the long run, you know, because that's what's going to be expected of me, obviously, later on. So I think I'll eventually get better at it, but for now it's just taking a lot more time than I had expected. So there's my video. Bye.